I want seafood, but there are too many choices on this menu.
I can help you choose. Do you prefer fish or shellfish?
I like both, but I don't want anything too spicy.
Then our lemon grilled fish may be a good choice.
What kind of fish do you use?
We use fresh sea trout.
Is it served with bones?
No, it is served as a boneless fillet.
That sounds easier to eat.
Would you like to try our garlic prawns too?
Are they fried?
No, they are cooked in a light garlic sauce.
I'll take a small portion.
What would you like with the fish?
What side dishes are available?
We have steamed rice, roasted potatoes, and mixed vegetables.
I'll choose roasted potatoes.
Would you like a salad?
Yes, do you have a simple salad?
We have lettuce, cucumber, tomato, and lemon dressing.
That will be perfect.
What would you like to drink?
Just sparkling water, please.
Let me repeat your order.
All right.
1 lemon grilled sea trout, 1 small garlic prawn dish, roasted potatoes, a fresh salad, and sparkling water.
Yes, that is correct.
Your meal will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Here is your sparkling water.
Could I also have a slice of lemon?
Certainly, I'll bring one.
Thank you.
Your seafood order is ready now.
I'm pleased. Everything looks beautifully cooked.
Please be careful, the plate is hot.
The fish smells wonderful.
Let me know if you need anything else.
The fish is soft and fresh.
I'm glad you like it.
The prawns are also very flavorful.
Would you like extra garlic sauce?
No, the amount is perfect.
Have you finished your meal?
Yes, it was delicious.
Would you like dessert?
No, thank you. Could I have the bill?
Of course, your total is $32.
Can I pay using my card?
Yes, please tap it here.
Done.
Payment approved. Here is your receipt.
Thank you for helping me choose.
You're welcome. I'm happy you enjoyed your meal.
I need an early taxi, and I'm afraid I may miss my flight.
I can arrange one for you. What time is your flight?
My flight leaves at 8:30 in the morning.
Which airport are you going to?
Westfield International Airport.
What is your pickup address?
I'm staying at 18 Maple Avenue. Is there heavy traffic in the morning?
Traffic becomes busy after 6:30.
What time should I leave?
I recommend leaving at 5:30.
That seems very early.
You should arrive at least 2 hours before your flight.
You're right. Please book it for 5:30.
How many passengers will travel?
Only one.
How much luggage do you have?
One large suitcase, one small suitcase, and a handbag.
A regular taxi will have enough space.
How much will the ride cost?
The estimated fare is $38.
Does that include the airport charge?
Yes, the airport fee is included.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, the driver accepts cash and cards.
Can I have the driver's details?
You will receive a message in the morning.
What will the taxi look like?
It will be a silver car with a yellow taxi sign.
Can the driver call me when he arrives?
Yes, please confirm your phone number.
It is 555-3074.
Thank you. Your taxi is confirmed.
Will the driver arrive exactly at 5:30?
He will arrive 5 minutes early.
That makes me feel better.
Please keep your phone nearby.
I will.
Do you need a wake-up call too?
No, I already set 2 alarms.
That is a good idea.
Thank you for arranging everything.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight tomorrow.
Why has my bag been pulled aside?
The scanner detected several liquid containers.
I packed shampoo, perfume, and face lotion.
We need to check their sizes.
I thought all of them were allowed.
Small containers are allowed in carry-on bags.
What is the maximum size?
Each container must be 100 milliliters or less.
My shampoo is 90 milliliters.
That is fine.
My perfume is 40 milliliters.
That is also allowed.
What about this face lotion?
This bottle is 200 milliliters.
I bought it yesterday.
Unfortunately, you cannot take it through security.
Can I put it in my checked suitcase?
Has your checked suitcase already been taken?
Yes, I checked it in earlier.
Then you can leave the lotion here or return to the airline desk.
My flight boards soon.
Returning to the desk may take too long.
I don't want to miss my flight.
Then leaving it here is the safest option.
All right, I'll leave it.
Please place it in this container.
Done.
Do you have a clear plastic bag for the smaller liquids?
No, I forgot to bring one.
You can use this clear pouch.
Thank you.
Put the shampoo, perfume, and hand cream inside.
What about my empty water bottle?
An empty bottle is allowed.
Can I fill it after security?
Yes, there's a water station near gate 12.
That is helpful.
Do you have any liquid medicine?
I have a small allergy spray.
You may keep it if you need it during the flight.
Do I need to show the prescription?
Not for this small amount.
Is everything else okay?
Yes, your bag is clear now.
Thank you for explaining the rules calmly.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
I hope my room is ready. I've been traveling all day.
I'll check your reservation. What name is it under?
Emma Carter.
Let me search the booking system.
I reserved a room for 4 nights.
Yes, I found it. You booked a queen room.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included every morning.
That's good.
May I see your passport and payment card?
Certainly. Here they are.
Thank you.
Is my room available now?
Yes, your room is ready.
I requested a quiet room.
We assigned you a room on the 8th floor.
Is it near the elevator?
It is a little away from the elevator.
Perfect. I sleep very lightly.
Your room also has a garden view.
Is there an extra charge?
No, the price remains the same.
Wonderful.
Please sign this registration form.
Where should I sign?
At the bottom beside the arrow.
Done.
We require a $70 security deposit.
Will it be returned after checkout?
Yes, if there are no extra charges.
I'll pay by card.
Please insert your card here.
Done.
Payment approved.
What is my room number?
Room 816.
Where is the elevator?
It is behind the seating area.
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is inside your keycard holder.
What time is breakfast served?
From 6:30 until 10.
Is there a gym?
Yes, it is open from 6 in the morning until 11 at night.
Can someone help me with my suitcase?
Certainly, I'll call a porter.
Thank you. I'm ready to rest.
Enjoy your stay at Harbor Lane Hotel.
My taxi is coming soon, so I need to check out quickly.
Certainly. What is your room number?
Room 816.
May I have your key cards?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. I'll check your account.
I used room service once.
What did you order?
Vegetable pasta and orange juice.
I can see that charge.
Did I use anything from the minibar?
The record shows 1 bottle of water.
Yes, that is correct.
Did you use the laundry service?
No, I didn't.
Your final total is $212.
Does that include the room service charge?
Yes, everything is included.
What about the security deposit?
It will be returned to your card.
How long will that take?
Usually 3 to 5 business days.
All right.
How was your stay?
The room was clean and quiet.
I'm happy to hear that.
I had a problem with the air conditioner.
Was it repaired?
Yes, the technician fixed it quickly.
I'm glad the issue was resolved.
The staff were very helpful.
Thank you for your kind feedback.
Can I pay the final bill by card?
Certainly. Please tap your card.
Done.
Payment successful.
Could you email the receipt?
Yes. Is your email still emmacarter@email.com?
That's correct.
The receipt has been sent.
I received it.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, I have one heavy suitcase.
A staff member will bring it to the lobby.
Is my taxi here yet?
It will arrive in 8 minutes.
Thank you for making checkout easy.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey. My wallet is missing and all my important cards are inside.
Try to stay calm. Where did you use it last?
I paid at a sports store on the second floor.
How long ago was that?
About 20 minutes ago.
Did you return to the store?
Yes, but the cashier didn't find it.
Where did you go after shopping?
I went to the food court.
Did you sit at a table?
Yes, near the large window.
Please describe your wallet.
It is a small navy wallet with a silver zip.
What is inside it?
My employee card, one bank card, cash, and a family photo.
Is your name written on any card?
Yes, my employee card says Michael Reed.
Could I have your phone number?
It is 555-4916.
Let me check the lost property records.
I'm really worried.
A wallet was brought here 10 minutes ago.
Really? What color is it?
It is dark navy.
That sounds like mine.
It was found near the food court window.
That must be it.
I need to confirm a few details.
Of course.
How much cash was inside?
Around $40.
What does the family photo show?
It shows me, my wife, and our young son.
The details match.
Can I see the wallet?
Please show another form of identification first.
I have my driver's license on my phone.
That will be enough.
Here it is.
Thank you. This is your wallet.
Oh, everything is still inside.
Please check each card carefully.
My bank card and employee card are here.
What about the cash?
The cash is here too.
Please sign this collection form.
Done.
Keep it in a zipped pocket next time.
I certainly will. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm glad it was returned safely.
The sky became dark so quickly.
Yes, I think heavy rain is coming.
I didn't bring an umbrella.
Neither did I.
The weather report said it would stay sunny.
Weather forecasts are not always perfect.
I can already feel a few drops.
We should find shelter. Is there a cafe nearby?
There is one across the street.
The light is still red.
Let's wait under this shop roof.
The rain is getting stronger.
Yes, look at the road.
The water is collecting near the sidewalk.
Be careful, the ground may become slippery.
I'm wearing new shoes.
Try to avoid the deep puddles.
Do you usually enjoy rainy weather?
I enjoy it when I'm indoors.
Me too. I like listening to the rain from my window.
It feels peaceful with a hot drink.
I usually make ginger tea.
I prefer hot chocolate.
The light has turned green.
Let's cross quickly but carefully.
The rain is hitting my face.
We're almost at the cafe.
The door is just ahead.
We made it.
It is warm inside.
Let's sit near the window.
Do you think the rain will stop soon?
The weather app says 30 minutes.
I have to meet my friend at 6.
What time is it now?
It is 5:15.
You should still have enough time.
I hope so.
Would you like ginger tea?
Yes, please.
I'll order one for you.
Thank you. Next time, I'll carry a small umbrella.
That is a lesson for both of us.
I want to change my hair color, but I don't want a dramatic look.
We can create a soft and natural change.
My hair is dark brown now.
Would you like to make it lighter?
Only a little lighter.
Warm caramel highlights may suit you.
Will the highlights look very bright?
No, we can make them thin and soft.
I've never had highlights before.
Don't worry, I'll explain each step.
Will the color damage my hair?
We use a gentle color and conditioning treatment.
That makes me feel better.
Would you like highlights all over?
Mainly around my face and near the ends.
That will create a natural effect.
Can I see the shade chart?
Certainly. These are the warm brown shades.
I like this honey caramel color.
That shade will look lovely.
What are these silver sheets for?
They keep each highlighted section separate.
I understand.
The color may feel slightly cool.
Yes, I can feel it.
Tell me if your scalp feels uncomfortable.
It feels fine.
The color needs to stay for 25 minutes.
Can I use my phone while I wait?
Of course.
Is the color ready now?
Yes. I'll wash and condition your hair.
I'm excited to see it.
Would you like straight hair or soft waves?
Soft waves, please.
Here is your finished look.
The color looks so natural.
The warm highlights brighten your face.
I love it.
Use shampoo for colored hair.
Can I wash it tomorrow?
Wait at least 2 days.
Thank you for the advice.
Your total is $90.
I'll pay by card.
Payment accepted.
Thank you. I feel like I have a fresh new look.
You're welcome. The color suits you beautifully.
My car is making a strange sound whenever I start it.
When did you first hear the sound?
Yesterday morning.
Does the sound continue while driving?
It becomes quieter, but the car shakes a little.
Did any warning light appear?
Yes, the engine light came on.
Have you checked the engine oil?
No, I don't know how to check it.
I'll inspect the car for you.
Is it safe to drive?
Let me check before you drive again.
Please do.
I'm opening the hood now.
Can you see the problem?
The engine oil is very low.
Could that cause the noise?
Yes, low oil can make the engine noisy.
Is the engine damaged?
I don't see serious damage, but we need to act quickly.
What do you need to do?
I'll change the oil and replace the oil filter.
How long will it take?
Around 40 minutes.
Is there anything else wrong?
Your front left tire has low pressure.
I noticed the car pulling slightly to one side.
Low tire pressure may cause that.
Can you add air?
Yes, that is included.
How much will the full service cost?
The oil change, filter, and inspection will cost $55.
That is fine.
Please wait in the customer area.
Can I have some water?
There's a water machine beside the chairs.
Thank you.
Your car is ready now.
Did you test it?
Yes, the engine is running smoothly.
What about the warning light?
It has turned off.
Is the tire pressure normal now?
Yes, all 4 tires are correct.
The car sounds much better.
Check the oil level every month.
Can you show me how next time?
Certainly.
Thank you for fixing it quickly.
You're welcome. Drive safely.